Hey guys, how's it going? So, something you might have found in Excel is when you're writing out a phone number in a cell, the zero at the beginning will just disappear. And that's because Excel will just automatically remove it once it's added. So we've got a list of numbers here, and if it was to put a zero at the beginning of this made up phone number, you will see it just disappears because it's not needed. So as far as Excel is concerned, so the way we can get around this, just one quick method you can use to actually add apostrophe before a zero. So if we put an apostrophe and then select zero, then hit enter, then the zero will stay. And what you will notice is that we get this title green warning symbol here, and that's because it's been converted to a text format. The way to get around it, just click the right mouse and then click ignore error, and it will disappear just like that. So this is just one quick way that you can add a zero in a cell. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.